So there are 3 programs of 10 marks. You opt for number and string if you are not comfortable with that.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Akash Talks and Learn with Akash. And right now we are there in IM Ashram building. So you can see there is the admission department of IM college, and we'll go to IM public school जो कि इसके पीछे है, and we're going to interview all the teachers to take the bite from teachers of CIC affiliated teachers जो कि CIC से more than 10 या 15 साल के ऊपर पढ़ा रहे हैं, उनका क्या सजेशन रहेगा, ठीक है? Being a both teacher, and if you're a class 10 student, please listen and practice whatever ma'am told right now in this video. And ma'am, last question for class 12, they are asking that कि भैया K-map में तो उतना दिक्कत नहीं होता है, we mainly face problem in recursion part or that double dimensional array, or better we can say that string के साथ double dimensional array along with this. So how to deal with that thing?
Okay, for that I have a very good solution.
Linked list also till band big
Linked list, yeah. See, mainly for class 12, the section A part is having the Boolean algebra, propositional logic and all those
definitely.
things. So you don't need to learn everything. And for program, like you said, 2D array, some are having issue with array. Okay,
Any two.
and any two. And there is a structure. First program is from normal program. It can be a number program or
From
maybe
recursion basically.
not recursion all the time.
Okay.
Constructor overloading function.
Function, huh?
Using constructor overloading or function overloading, you have to do a normal program, a number program, or maybe conversion from binary digit to decimal conversion. This can be there, okay, or basic normal program, number program like Smith number, amicable number, okay, fascinating number.
Armstrong number.
Armstrong number is a very basic thing that comes
Armstrong-
usually in class
10. Armstrong
10.
neon.
Yes, neon number. Okay.
Spy
So-
number.
So you go with the number program. If you are not comfortable with array, then go with string. There are 3 things. First question will be from number. Second question will be from array. And third one will be from string.
String.
So you opt for number and string if you are not comfortable with array.
Array, definitely we can do
Okay,
that also.
and if you are comfortable with array but not with string, then go with number and array. Same thing is applicable for section C, which is he said linked list.
Linked list.
Okay,
Or
so if you-
binary tree, bigger notation that
yeah,
thing.
BST, from BST only the traversal is going to come. Okay, BST traversal, so which is actually very easy. Nothing to worry. You can
Ma'am,
just
that
simply
parents and child wala thing.
parents and child.
Yes, I
Yes,
remember.
correct. Parents, child, and grandparents.
Grandparents.
All those things. These are very simple, like small tree. Family tree. You used to do family tree. Same way you can do that one. Okay.
Okay.
So BST, you don't leave BST. You must do BST. Along with that, 2 marks linked list question is going to come. So you prepare only that. And there are 2 more questions in section C where you have, one is inheritance, another one is from Q.
Q,
Okay.
huh.
So
Stack,
you go
Q, DQ.
stack or Q. Yes. So you go with stack or Q. If you are comfortable with inheritance, go with inheritance. Otherwise, stack Q and linked list,
Linked list.
BST.
Okay.
This is how you have to mind map everything and prepare accordingly. That's
Okay.
it. That
Thank
will be
you, ma'am,
helpful.
for giving us this kind of suggestion before your boards. Please implement all these things. Love her teaching, ma'am. Please attend ma'am's class because मैं एक बार attend किया था and I really love the way she teach. Trust
Yeah.
me.
Thank
Through
you
this
so
video
much.
also, you're fine. Ma'am, if anyone want to join in your school in class 11, so what is the procedure?
Okay, so for that they have to contact to our reception. Okay, it is available in
Or
our
the number is
website.
given below also.
Yes, it is available in our website also. And for class 11, IM Public School is providing numerous subject combinations.
Definitely.
Like from the regular subject combination for science like physics, chemistry, biology, maths or computer science. Apart from that, we are providing some subjects which are very student friendly, like
Okay.
psychology,
Psychology.
sociology, physical
Ma'am, a lot of
education.
schools they don't provide psychology and sociology.
Exactly,
That's the
exactly.
main thing.
Because we think students need to understand and they need to score. They need to
Definitely.
score also. They need to
Definitely.
increase their score also. So for that, we need some subjects which is very easy for them and easy to understand. Like physical education, second language Hindi and Bengali also we are providing.
Achha.
Not only that, we have our most important, nowadays it is important, what is the important technology we have? AI.
AI, yeah.
Yes. So we are providing AI and
Yes.
robotics also in class
So
11.
the main things that AI and robotics had been introduced by CIC, means has been introduced in, I think, last 1 and 2 years.
Yes,
Not
exactly.
Very, so it's a very pretty new syllabus. A lot of schools, they are not considering this thing. And the most important thing is that IM Public School is a part of IM group, IM UEM group, right?
Yes,
if I'm not
the
wrong, ma'am.
college and the university.
And the college of IM Public School means the college of IM college is basically mainly of engineering. If I rather say engineering and management. So you will also get an opportunity to learn, right? If I'm not wrong, ma'am.
Yes, correct. Even the students who are taking admission in PG, basically a student who is taking admission in the KG, they can continue in our school. After that, they can take admission in our colleges and universities
So
for the
that is a very
PhD also.
good pathway for being
Yes,
a IM
yes.
Public School students.
Yeah.
Ma'am, thank you. Ma'am, last but not the least, especially for class 12 and upcoming students, ma'am, class 11 and 12 students, ma'am, they can operate computer in class 11, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
But a lot of students, their main point is that, bhaiya, mera computer to class 10 mein nahi tha, but I want to go for CSC. Because a lot of students, they comes to me for, they want to study BTech in CSC, CSC, AML, whatever. So for that reason, what will be your suggestion?
Okay.
If they don't have computer in class 10?
Yeah. First thing, if you are not having computer in class 10, you don't need to worry, because the entire syllabus starts from the beginning. Whatever
Exactly.
they are covering in class 9 and 10, that is again in class 11. But the advantages is that whoever already had computer, they can easily wrap up with the new topics.
Definitely.
But the students who did not have, they can easily take it, and they just need to give a little bit more effort just to learn the basic things. That's it. Nothing to worry. You can easily cope up with the new syllabus of class 11 and 12.
Okay. So thanks a lot, ma'am, for giving us this your precious time. Last question, ma'am, how IM Public School grooms students?
Yeah,
That's the main important question.
Yeah,
in this video.
definitely. IM Public School believes that we need to nurture the curiosity and the creativity of the students. We have a big STEM lab where students go and they create robots, okay? And from very childhood they are doing that. So most of the schools does not provide all those things, but IM Public School always believes in advanced technologies. So we nurture the students' creativity and add it with the latest technology. So how students can implement their creativity using latest technology, that we teach here.
So that's a great thing, and which IM Public School is doing. So if anyone have any kind of interest or intentions, mainly parents, please contact with the number given below. And for more information, call on the number, visit the website, and for this kind of video, just follow Aakash Talks and learn with Aakash. Thank you, ma'am.